Hola, friends! It's Shylo. That means hello in Spanish. Today we're going to learn about someone super creative, super colorful, and super famous. Pablo Picasso. That's Picasso. Have you ever heard of him? He's one of the most amazing artists in the whole wide world, and he created art like no one had ever seen before. Let's find out why everyone calls him a genius.
Hey, it's Shylo. Come on, let's explore today. Hey, it's Shylo. Shylo, hooray!
Picasso was born in 1881. Wow, that's so long ago. In a sunny town in Spain called Malaga. When he was a little boy, he loved to draw and paint. His dad was an artist too, and he taught Picasso how to draw birds and animals. And guess what? Picasso's first word wasn't mama or papa. It was pencil. When Picasso was just a teenager, he was already better at painting than most grown-ups. He practiced all the time. Picasso didn't just stick to one way of painting. Oh no! He liked to experiment and try new things. One day, he decided to paint faces in a way no one had seen them before. He showed them from the front and the side at the same time. It looked a little funny, but also really cool. Picasso loved doing that. He called this new style cubism, because it looked like pictures made out of cubes and shapes. And here's something amazing. Picasso used all kinds of materials in his art, not just paint and paper, but newspaper and even scraps of old stuff he found lying around. He called this a collage. This is a fancy word of gluing things together to make art. Even though Picasso was super talented, not everyone understood him at first. People thought his paintings looked too strange. But Picasso didn't give up. He believed in himself, and he kept painting in his own unique way. Eventually, everyone started to see how amazing his art was. He became super famous, and people all around the world wanted to see his work. Picasso didn't make paintings. He made sculptures, ceramics, and even costumes for plays. Here are some fun facts about Picasso. Did you know he made over 147,800 pieces of art in his lifetime? That's crazy! Including paintings, drawings, sculptures, ceramics, and prints. That's more than most people could make in several lifetimes. And he also had a pet monkey, a goat, and a dog. His goat was named Esmeralda, and she would sometimes roam around the studio. Imagine painting with a goat or monkey watching you.
Keep it down, goat. I am painting.
Picasso loved bright colors too. He once said, "Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once you grow up." Now it's time to create our own Picasso-style art. Grab some paper, crayons, and maybe some old magazines. Let's make a collage of a funny face using shapes like circles, triangles, and squares. Remember, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. Just have fun and be as creative as you want. Picasso would love that. Remember, art is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Thanks for joining me today to learn all about the one and only Pablo Picasso. See you next time for another colorful adventure. Keep creating, friends. Bye!